everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena, and today's video is going to be just a quick bathroom cleanup. This is just a normal day. My twins are at preschool and my 1-year-old is napping right now. I had finished my regular cleaning downstairs in my kitchen and living room and all that stuff. And so today, with some extra time that I have, I decided to come up here to my master bathroom and give it a nice clean. I'm going to clean just my sink area over here, the tub, the outside of the shower, and then go into where the toilet is. And then I'll also clean my twins' bathroom upstairs as well. So I've been using this Dawn dish spray for a lot of cleaning things that are not dishes. It sprays so nicely. So I bought one for up here just to clean sinks and the bathroom. The shower, it works really well in the shower as well. This stuff is really great. I love it. Alright, so my boys took a bath in here, and I just need to pick up all the toys, and then I'm going to use some more of that Dawn dish spray in here and give this bath a nice just have some warm water in this little bucket that I can use to get the sponge wet when needed. Okay, so I am not going to clean the inside of my shower today, but I'm going to put all of these bottles and shampoos and, you know, body washes and things like that up into our little shower caddy and put that away. And right now I'm just going to clean the outside of my shower. And what I've been doing, and this is like it's a game changer. I've actually been cleaning the inside of my shower while I shower. So like every week, just, you know, one day when I have a little bit of time at night when I take a shower, I'll grab the Dawn dish spray now and just a sponge, and it is so nice because you don't have to worry about getting splashed on, or it's just because you're in there anyways and you're wet anyways, and it makes it it makes cleaning just a lot faster in the shower that I've noticed, and a lot easier to rinse at the same time because my shower head is not detachable. It stays there, so I have to use a bucket to try and rinse everything, which is a pain, and it splashes on you. So this way I don't get wet. It's really fast and easy. So right now I'm just going to get the outside glass, the outside metal here, and concentrate on the outside before I move on to the toilet.
Been so sure. I know you find it hard sometimes to control it, babe. Your feels for me.
Okay, so I'm going to move into where my toilet is now, and in my master bedroom, my toilet is in its own little tiny room. So it's kind of hard to show exactly, you know, film everything, but this is basically it. It's a tiny little room just with a toilet in here. On the side of the toilet, you can't see it, but I have just a little case, oh gosh, not a case, a big container that I just put toilet paper and things like that in, extra toilet paper. So I'm just going to give this whole toilet area a nice clean. And then I'm going to get some warm water and Lysol in a bucket and just get down and wipe all around the toilet and make sure the whole, you know, floor area is nice and clean. So sorry, so my camera angles were just kind of off while I was filming this cleaning of the toilet, and you can't really see what I'm doing, but I am just wringing out the rag in the Lysol and water in the bucket right there. Area, and I'm just going to straighten it up a bit for him and clean down his mirror and sink and counter, and then I'll move on to my boys' bathroom.
Kinda like your lies, say you're leading me
just going to tidy up this sink area and then just repeat the process, spray everything down. I'll wipe down the mirrors up here and then get into the sink as well. I'll make my way over to the bathtub and then I'll clean the toilet. And then I'm going to do the same thing where I get some Lysol in a bucket of warm water and just kind of get down and really get the area around the toilet really nice and clean.
Had me down for the count. I was on 9-9 all the time. Shattered soul, you took control, but now I'm gone, bye-bye, bring the fire. You took something beautiful and made it something cruel. It's all that I get from you. You're so delusional, now watch me take control.
I'm not going to give this tub a big deep clean. I actually did that last night and that's what sort of inspired this video. I decided to clean the tub and I was like, you know, I just need to, you know, clean the bathrooms tomorrow. So here we are. So instead I'm just going to give it just a nice wipe down because might as well, I have all the stuff out. So, and we'll just continue on to the toilet and get this nice and clean. As some of you know, I do have 4-year-old twin boys and their aim and toilet skills are sometimes just not the best. So getting toilets is just very important in this house.
It's all that I get from you. You're so delusional, now watch me take control. I've been running from myself like I'm somebody else. Kinda left me alone, all the love is gone. Now I'm coming around, got a stake in the ground. Gonna stick it to you, I'm gonna let you go. Let you go, let you go, let you go. I'm gonna stick it to you, let you go.
Alright, again here I'm just going to put some Lysol in a bucket of warm water and just get on my hands and knees and get the whole area around the toilet nice and clean and just kind of do a little hand mop in here and just make sure it's all nice and clean and ready to get dirty again. So, and this is also the end of the film, so thank you so much for watching. As always, I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.
Let you go, let you go, let you go.